So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology, feeding my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
Alright, fellas, kind of going to do a last shot here of the primer, getting ready to put some black on there. I think it looks pretty good. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I didn't think it was going to look this good, but I wasn't real worried in the first place because it's the underside of the cab, but I think it really turned out pretty good. But just going to do a last little walk around here before I put black on it, kind of show what it all looks like here. Yeah, doesn't look too bad. Can't wait to get some black on there. Wow, I'm really happy with how this is looking. Look at that nice shine. I think it looks pretty good. Still working on this. Got to fill the gun up again, put more paint in it, and I'll finish up here. Just doing one coat. I'm gonna let it dry. Probably do 2 coats, and just has a nice shine to it. I don't know how it's gonna look when it's dry, but it's supposed to be glossy, so we'll see what it looks like when it's dry. Alright guys, first coat is done. You can almost see the reflection in there, but I think it's tacky right now. It's not dry yet, but I think it looks pretty good. Climb up here and give you guys a shot of the firewall. I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. But guess there's a shot, guys. It looks pretty good, and all my engine parts here, air filter, fan, pulley, and for the heck of it, I had some extra paint in the gun, so I just threw some black paint on this go-kart here, just for the heck of it, you know. You know, when you don't feel like emptying the paint back in the can, and you just want to use it up. So that's what I did. I just threw some paint on here. I think I'll do something like paint something fancy on here. I want to get some pinstriping brushes and try that. Maybe I can practice pinstriping on this this floor pan here. That would be a good spot. But well, there it is, guys. Not perfect, but good enough for the underside of a cab. Alright guys, it's the next day. The first coat is dry, and really digging it here. It looks good. And I think today I'm going to do my second coat. I mean, I probably don't need to do a second coat. It's pretty tough stuff. But I think I will. So, but I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty slick. Firewall looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool.